Today we will continue the last topic, that is how to change the voice. We will discuss today that if the active voice is in interrogative, or if the sentence of the active voice is an interrogative sentence, it remains interrogative in the passive voice, and vice versa. Vice versa means when we change passive voice into active voice, there it also remains interrogative. There is no change at all. For example, we will explain it here. Did you read English? It is question, or first of all we will make it do. Do you read English? Let me see that if it is not in interrogative, then how we will convert it into passive voice? Then it is like this: English is third form read by you. But the rule is that if it is in interrogative, the passive voice must be in interrogative. How we will make it interrogative? Take this B. Here is English read by you. It means that active voice is in interrogative, it remains interrogative again in passive voice. Now, if there is past tense, for example, did he see the bird? It is interrogative, but it is past, in past tense. Leave it for some time, ignore it. How we will convert this one into passive voice? The verb interchange the position of subject and object. The verb im did have, therefore was before past participle seen. This is first rule. If the verb is in indefinite tense, it is changed into passive voice by using be. Any form of be. Here it is past tense, we have to take the was, and it is bird singular, therefore it is was, and before the past participle, therefore seen. Now the rule is it is in interrogative, therefore it must be in interrogative. What we will do? We will take this auxiliary here, put it here. Was a word seen by him. And number third example, does the teacher call me? Ignore this part. I use the form of be and past participle of called by the teacher. Now it is in interrogative. Put it here. Am I called by the teacher? Okay. Now there are some questions who begin with relative pronouns or WH word. There is a different from this one, from those yes no questions. These were yes no questions that begin with auxiliaries. Now I write here one. When do you play when do you play games? It is also an interrogative sentence, but it starts with a relative pronoun. Games, ignore this very part. Games by you play, this is present indefinite. Games is plural. Use the form of be before third form played. Now, when this auxiliary put here, when or games played by you, it is not changed here, but it is this do does, like in the form of examples, it changes or it is omitted. Now, second one, why you are not liked by him. He. If we convert it into, it is passive voice. If it is active, we will make it active. Then it is why does he not like you? Because we took this you here, interchange the position of subject and object. Then you are not third form liked by him. Then you have to put this y here. And likely a similar case, there is a minute difference. You have to remember this very one because it differs from these examples. For example, who teaches you English? It is changed into by whom. Then the rest of the sentence is solved or is converted with the same by the same rules that we have already mentioned. This by whom are you taught? Actually, it is like this. You are, it is converted into passive by using the be before third form. Teach का third form past words for taught. Taught English. Now we write here it. Are you taught? By whom are you taught English? There are two objectives sometimes that put us in confusion that we will discuss later on. But here the here are some, here we are concerned regarding these interrogative sentences. Now one more, I will provide you one more example. For example, is the gardener planting trees. Garden, we change these. Trees are planted. Sorry, here it is in form, therefore we have to use being. Trees are being planted by the gardener. Then make it question. We will put this R here. Are trees being planted by the gardener? It means that those rules, those three important rules by which we have learned how to change this active voice into passive voice remain the same. There is a bit difference that we have to keep in our mind is that it must remain question interrogative. If it is in if the active voice is in interrogative, passive voice will be also in interrogative, but only different rest of the rules remain the same that we apply. And now there are some cases where there are two objectives. How we will convert them into passive voice, inshallah we will discuss it tomorrow.